Introducing Tallow, a stunning new addition to the Brizo kitchen collection. Inspired by the bluebell flower's distinctive silhouette, Tallow is Brizo's first traditional pull-down faucet and features our exclusive MagnaDock technology. Tallow also features a 2-button 4-function sprayer, Inoflex waterways, and a Euromotion diamond valve that offers exceptional durability. For even greater functionality, Tallow's matching bar prep faucet completes the collection. Both versions feature optional SmartTouch technology, which allows water activation with just a light touch. And since Tallow's high-arc pull-down design coordinates with Belize, both faucets share matching accessories, including butt vase, soap dispenser, and dishcloth butler. Tallow is available in 4 luxurious finishes: Venetian bronze, polished chrome, brilliance stainless, and brilliance brushed bronze. Style and performance have never been more evolved. The new Tallow kitchen faucet, exclusively by Brizo.